This is the luxury world. Get inspired with us today and tomorrow. Every year, we are looking forward to the changes that are happening within the watch market and especially the luxury watch market. And as expected, the occurrence of Watches and Wonders 2023 led to a surge in demand for specific brands and watches available in the market, while discontinued models, particularly those from Rolex, are creating a significant impact and generating excitement in the market. So, for today's video brought to you by Luxury World, we will be exploring the topic further as we will look at the aftermath of Watch and Wonders 2023, including the impact of discontinuations of some Rolex watches in the market. If you have not already subscribed to our channel, we strongly encourage you to do so now to receive timely updates on our upcoming videos. After the conclusion of Watches and Wonders 2023 in Geneva, there has been a significant increase in demand for certain watches. One watch has experienced a remarkable surge of over 50% in demand. The discontinuation of certain models always creates excitement in the secondary and gray markets, and this year we have witnessed a few noteworthy examples. We will explore the hottest instances and reveal a discontinued timepiece from Tudor that has gone unnoticed by many. Additionally, we will examine the performance of last year's Watches and Wonders releases to assess how they have progressed after 12 months. Watches and Wonders is an annual grand event in the watch industry, held in Geneva from late March to early April. It serves as a platform for numerous manufacturers to unveil their latest releases, marking significant milestones in their brand histories. In the video, we will also give emphasis on analyzing the brands and models that experienced the most substantial increases in demand following Watches and Wonders. To provide a comparative analysis, we have examined the demand during the 4 weeks leading up to Watches and Wonders and the 4 weeks following the event, capturing the before and after effect. In this analysis, we highlight the top 5 brands that witnessed the most significant surge in interest following Watches and Wonders. Claiming the top spot is Chopard, followed by JLC at number 2, Cartier at number 3, and Tag Heuer and Tudor rounding out the top 5. It is worth noting that 3 dress watch brands occupy the top 3 positions. Chopard gained significant exposure on Instagram with its striking Luke 1860, while JLC garnered praise for its Reverso tribute chronograph, widely considered the standout timepiece of the show. These watches are expected to be challenging to acquire, but they exemplify how standout models can enhance overall brand visibility. The numbers become even more remarkable when analyzing demand for specific watch models. One watch experienced a remarkable 64% surge in demand following Watches and Wonders. For now, let us move on to the second watch. The centerpiece of IWC's 2023 novelties is the revamped Engineer, which pays homage to the iconic Gerald Jenna design. Consequently, there has been a 97% increase in requests for the older AMG version of the IWC Engineer. While we do not have access to IWC's internal boutique sales data, this nostalgia for the old reference raises questions. The addition of crown guards has been particularly criticized. The top 10 models with the largest surge in demand present a mix of results. Some models are directly connected to what transpired at the Geneva event, while others seem to emerge unexpectedly. JLC secures the number 3 spot with the Master Ultra Thin Moon, despite not having made significant updates to the model in a while. Breguet also features in the top 5, but not with a recently released or discontinued model line. Hublot's inclusion in the top 10 is unusual, considering its association with Miami Yacht Week, which was unexpected. Now, let us get down to the main highlight of this video. The market is significantly impacted by the discontinuation of Rolex watches. Now, let us reveal the number 1 watch on the list. The Rolex Milgauss has experienced the highest surge in requests among all watches on the market following Watches and Wonders. The entire Milgauss model family, including the green sapphire and standard sapphire versions, saw a remarkable 64% increase in demand after the event. This surge is about 2.5 times greater than the watch in second place. Rolex discontinuing the Milgauss has been a long-anticipated move, as it has always been a bit of an outlier in the professional series. Rolex, known for its exceptional marketing strategies, had stopped promoting the Milgauss model. The Milgauss is not the sole Rolex watch that has been discontinued this year. 2 Daytona models in precious metals garnered attention. The white gold variant with a blue dial, referenced as 116509, experienced a slight rise in listing price for unworn pieces, climbing from approximately $53,000 in February to around $57,000 in April. However, it is the other version, nicknamed the John Mayer Daytona, that has experienced a significant surge. The yellow gold with a green dial reference 116508 has seen its listing price soar, going from approximately $86,000 in February to just under $120,000 in April. This price increase aligns with the renewed interest in discontinued watches, particularly in yellow gold, which is currently in vogue. Furthermore, Daytona watches have always been highly coveted among all Rolex models. Now we have analyzed discontinued watches that have received minimal media coverage surrounding their departure, and this will include the Tudor Heritage Chrono. This stunning timepiece was in production in 2022 but is now absent from Tudor's catalog. The reasons behind Tudor's decision to discontinue this watch remain unclear. In case you got curious, we will shortly look back as well on the Watch and Wonder releases from 2022, particularly on some Rolex releases. The Rolex Distro GMD, now named the Sprite, was undoubtedly one of the most polarizing releases of the previous year, garnering significant attention in both the media and the market. This watch has a retail price of $11,450 in the US, but its price on the market is currently hovering around $25,000. On the other hand, the new Air Canyon, a more modest timepiece, has experienced more moderate appreciation. It has a retail price of $7,450, with current prices averaging around $10,000. The Rolex Yacht Master in 42mm yellow gold on the oyster bracelet is performing slightly better, with a price tag of $35,000 on most watch markets compared to its retail price of $29,200. Lastly, the Rolex Day Date in platinum with a fluted bezel is marked as price on request on the Rolex website, indicating its exclusivity and unaffordability for most. This is reflected in its soaring prices on the watch market, reaching up to $96,000. If we must guess which Rolex model would become the brand's biggest star 1 year from now, we may place the bet on the full gold GMT. However, it is important to note that predictions in the watch market can be unpredictable. Discontinued Rolex models have become highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts. The limited availability and exclusivity drive up demand, resulting in higher prices in both the primary and secondary markets. Collectors scramble to secure these timepieces before they become even scarcer. Rolex discontinuations have a profound effect on the watch market, driving increased demand, price appreciation, and heightened activity in the secondary market. These decisions can shape brand reputation and influence the overall watch industry. We would love to hear your thoughts and opinions on the impact of Rolex discontinuations on the watch market, as discussed in this video. Please share your comments in the comments section below. If you found the video enjoyable, kindly let us know in the comments and show your support by following us and giving us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching Luxury World, and we look forward to having you join us in our future videos.